I just bought this private jet, and now it's crashed. It takes on average 31 hours for a rescue team to find the survivors of a plane crash. And now me and the boys are literally stranded in the middle of nowhere until help arrives. All right, let's assess the damage over here.
I see some water bottles. We're gonna get thirsty out here, you know how it is.
Oh look, they really pay 2 pilots and they only need 1? That's why your flight's so expensive.
Chris! What? I found snacks.
So just like a normal plane, it's all terrible. We're saving these for later, we gotta ration this.
But I'm hungry now.
We're gonna pull the plane resources on the wing.
This takes layovers to the next level.
The only food and water we have to survive is what's typically stocked on a private jet. These tiny planes really don't have much food and water. I think it's time we use some strategy. Half of us should go explore the area, and the other half should keep organizing the inventory and building a shelter.